Choosing between RFD21733 RF module or RFD21743 RFDANT. Hello, this is Catherine Mendoza for RF Digital. Today, I'm here to speak to you about how to choose between the RFD21733 RF module or RFD21743 RFDANT. The RFD21733 RF module and the RFD21742 RFD21743 RFDANTs have the same electrical interface and are both embedded with the patent-pending RFD21743 interference immunity protocol. They are pin-for-pin electrically compatible. Except for the different form factor, cost, and range, they are basically the same. The RFDANTs have an 8-inch long 1.5mm 11-pin connector termination for its interface to your electronics, where the RFD21733 module has a 19-pin SMT interface and solders to your PCB. Only 11 out of the 19 pins are used for electrical interference. The RFD21733 is only 15mm square and has a range of about 500 feet. The RFD21733 module is about 1/4 the cost of RFDANT. So why do you want to use the RFDANT? There are many factors. The RFDANT is hermetically fully potted and overmolded, has an industrial rugged enclosure, and the full radio system and processing is all built into the antenna structure itself. The RFDANT's mounting does not require a PCB at all. Simply just drill a hole into your enclosure and feed the 8-inch cable through and apply a nut and your RFDANT is mounted and ready for use. The RFDANT does not have impacts from proximity effects from the nearby metal enclosures and objects. The RFDANT has a perfect antenna pattern which provides extraordinary, consistent, repeatable performance. The RFDANT's revolutionary patent-pending design enables it to reach distances of 2,000 feet while still being an ultra-low power device. The huge range is reached without any power amplifiers at all. Its unique design is responsible for it reaching these great distances without any battery drain or extra power. The RFDANT makes it easy for you to satisfy green directives due to its unique design and ultra-high performance. The RFDANT fits in the palm of your hand and looks like an antenna, but of course, it is much more since it is the whole radio and processing system in one unit. There are no RF cables at all. Simply connect volts, GND, and a few logic signal wires based on your application and you are done. There is no need for PCB layout either. You can directly connect to the 11-pin, 8-inch cable extending out to the bottom of the RFDANT. The RFD21733 is an ideal partner with the RFD21743 or RFD21742 RFDANTs. They can communicate with each other using the RFD217 protocol with switch logic, I/O, or serial UART. You can mix and match them as well with using RFD21733 on one end of your system and an RFDANT on the other. The RFD21733 is a perfect fit when you need ultra small size and ultra low cost, and the RFD is an ideal solution when you need ultra long range and do not want to place any parts onto your PCB. Even if you'll be using the RFDANT for your application, it is still highly recommended to place the 11-pin connector footprint on your PCB for the RFD21733, so you can have the option to simply plug in the RFDANT for testing during your prototype phases, or if you happen to have a customer come to you and ask for more range, you can simply give it to them by not soldering the RFD21733 and instead plugging in RFD21742 or RFD21743 RFDANT. If you have further questions about the trade-offs between the modules and the RFDANTs, always feel free to contact support at rfdigital.com, where you will find very quick and helpful answers to your questions. RF Digital support team looks forward to your call and or email. Go to www.rfdigital.com for more information.